In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding AIDS causative agent HIV. Option A, HIV is unenveloped retrovirus. It is incorrect because HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus, is an enveloped virus. Option B, HIV does not escape but attacks the acquired immune response. It is also incorrect because HIV indeed attacks the acquired immune system, particularly CD4 plus T cells, that is helper T cells. But it also escapes immune detection by high mutation rates as well as latency. Option C, HIV is an enveloped virus containing one molecule of single-stranded RNA and one molecule of reverse transcriptase. It is also incorrect because HIV contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. Option D, HIV is an enveloped virus that contains two identical molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase. This is exactly the structure of HIV, that is, it consists of two molecules of single-stranded RNA and two molecules of reverse transcriptase, which is very, very essential for integration into the host genome. Hence, it is the correct option.